You ask her around there. She's right there. She'll answer your question.
Alright, buddy. You're gonna make sure you put it right here for me, and I'll do all the work right back here. Ready? You're gonna start your off with the scan in 3, 2, 1. Looks like everything's coming through. Okay, though. Now we're gonna send that up to our lab. What we're gonna actually be able to see is that your base is actually gonna be put right there. I know it looks really weird right now. That's actually how the computer's able to see you, understand you, and then send it back to us so we can see you as well. With that being said, we can now start with our second scan. We're going to be slowly moving the scanner around your face. Make sure we get any and all details. All you have to do for me is keep on looking in that general area right there, and I'll take care of the rest.
Look right there at those blue guys and do not move, okay? The stiller you stay, the better the guy will be, okay? No movement.
Alright, our scan has started. Just keep on looking straight ahead. You're doing awesome. Alright, we're a little over halfway. Just about finished. Alright, awesome work. Now your scan is completely done. We can actually see that your avatar is going to be starting to form right here. I'm just going to clarify a few things with my lab and I'll be right back with you. You can see our lab, this is sun.
That's the
Just make
bum's
sure you guys are
face.
able to see everything. Awesome work. Now we're able to see all the details coming in here. E5, B6, TNO32. Copy that. We're able to see the large version now. Alright, so now we can see that the enlarged version has been able to load. This means that it's time for us to actually customize a few details of your own. I'm going to actually be able to hand you this tablet right here. This is where you get to change your eye color, hairstyle, picture style, anything like that.
Oh, both of you, no?
Both of us.
You got delivery check-in? Perfect. So you ready?
We're
Excited?
ready. We're ready.
Follow me this way.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I need to grab
If you
my
want it, you can leave it there. You want to leave it there?
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. You can leave it there.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, follow me this way.
Okay, we gotta follow this guy, Bub. Follow him.
Almost there, almost there. Alright, so who's 442? That's
I think that's him. I'm not
that's
sure.
you? Okay, so stand right there. If you want it, you can put the toy on the
Yeah,
side.
put the toy on the side.
Yeah, put it right there. Just fine. Let's go, Jake. Jake. Yes, we have a traveler E442 ready for video. Let me see if I have signal. Yeah, you do have signal. Thank you. Perfect. So you ready to start the process? You're gonna press that red button for me right there. Yes. Let's see. Let's see if it's you right there. Oh, it's you.
It's me. You did it for me, Bub.
That's
Okay,
perfect.
it's okay. I thought it
So
was.
now you're gonna place your hand.
Okay, I have to
Put
place
your
my
hands
hand.
against the glass. Yes. Yes. Do like a little tap like that. Perfect. And now you can video the top too. And then now you're gonna become an avatar. Let's see.
Oh, look, my indent in my forehead.
All right. See? Ooh. That's you as an avatar. Excellent.
Serious?
And now here is your avatar. You wanna video that? That's your avatar inside.
No way, Bub.
And then the next one is gonna be yours.
And the mom has to come before the baby, so.
Yes, congratulations. And they're gonna show you how to open the box.
Okay.
To open the box, you're gonna squeeze both at the same time. You see?
Okay.
And that open
Yeah,
the
that
box.
I can do.
So this is 442. Perfect. 442. I'm gonna put the card inside. And that's for you to keep.
Okay, okay.
And now let's see if yours is ready. Jake. Yes, I have a traveler E443 ready for his review. Okay. Yes, I do not have signal yet. I'm waiting for your signal.
Você faz do jeito que você quiser.
Waiting for Jake's
You got
signal.
Okay, perfect.
E sai do jeito que o cara quer.
See if we got
Ah, eu
signal.
quero
Did
ele
he
com
get the
chapéu.
signal?
Aí põe ele com o
Do you think he
chapéu.
got the signal?
Yeah, you
Ah,
have
eu quero
signal
ver
now.
com uma-
Okay? Thank you.
Ele mais gordinho.
Because signal, so are you ready? I know you're ready.
Are you ready?
So now press that red button and let's see what happens. Press that red. And let's take a look at the screen right now.
That's
Is that you
definitely,
right there? All
yeah.
right, that's you. Excellent. Now you're gonna place your hands there. Yes. Hold on for 1 second.
Esse é ele. Aí põe na mão.
And now you're gonna become an avatar. Let's see your new look as an avatar, all blue. All right. You got a haircut.
Are you
Oh.
serious?
Looking good so far. Excellent. And now that's your avatar. You
Bob,
can-
look at me.
Quero ver.
We'll get it. Hold on a second. Before
Hold on,
we
you have to
open.
wait,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have to
We'll
wait.
get it. We'll
You
get
have
it.
to
We'll
wait
get it. Here we go. Here's your avatar.
You want him to show you how to open it? There's a
Yes.
special way to
And you
open
can
it.
Here. And then we're gonna take a picture together. Let's take. You wanna take a picture,
Yeah,
both
yeah,
of
yeah,
you
yeah,
together?
yeah, yeah.
So you're gonna stand right here. Stand right there.
A video. See, that's Bub. We came to the place, they scan your face and they make a version of you. And that, let me see, that's Bub.
Oh,